My name is Catherine Mackay and I play Cùlaibh in An Clò Mòr. At the end of series 1, there was a fire in Sùil, which is the hotel that Cùlaibh owns. Cùlaibh was just really angry, thinking that Boyd had started the fire.
She can change the var and bad for a usa and a kyo joch.
Cùlaibh was quite horrible to Myrit, and they had a bit of an argument outside Boyd and Myrit's house, which wasn't very nice.
Nice am Jehel. And nara orst na hel. Min G Jackin. Myrit the nerves he ho. Gastus got Jichalach. Jichanestein in you at the Machgere. Calaker is lesbian hinge.
Oh, Hanyem is a show. Femi chilly at Ashahuped.
She just felt as if she needed to get away. So series 1 ended with Cùlaibh heading off to Edinburgh, and I think she's been away for about 3 weeks. When we first see her in series 2, the hotel has been redone up and they're just getting ready to open again, but she has somebody in tow.
Hello, Angel! Satan Give me a hi!
Ma, you're so smart, listen, Yerish. Ha boyder falaf. You're meer falaf, me Yerich half. I was calling me grow rash, I was given a bar of Fascaligadist. I can't magaridu. Sva, meet your wonderkich, rogue your hand.
Nachelisa
Three, testing. Yay, Carrie, it's working. Do you know, this space would be ideal for my yoga clients. I mean, once we've moved all the tables. Hi! Kohasho.
Judy, Shaw Myrit. Myrit, Shaw Judy, Mocharich. Hagus Vishaw Sankrishak.
Hi, I'm Jenny Ryan and I play Judy. Judy's a yoga teacher from Edinburgh and we met. I met Carrie and have kind of invited myself back with her.
A very different character to Myrit.
Yes, she's very forceful. She invades the space. Everyone here is so friendly.
Where are you from yourself, Judy?
Donasian, but I'm an islander at heart. She introduces herself very much as Carrie's girlfriend, and I think Mara then has to fight for what she wants, you know, so it creates a shift in your relationship. Playing Judy's been a dream, really, because she's one of these characters that just takes over and doesn't really understand the impact that she's having. Kind of kills people with kindness, but in a way that rubs everyone up the wrong way, really. And has just decided that she's very much part of Carrie's life, as she calls her. But what redeems her, I think, is that she can see there is a connection there with Myrit, and she does step aside because she feels, actually, I've maybe stepped over a line here. And she goes with good grace. She's just off on her next adventure.
Is everything okay?
I'm good to go.
But the lights have just come back on.
Back to Edinburgh. I'm going to get the first ferry tomorrow. This place is incredible. But this is your home. These are your people and your person is already here.
I think Cùlaibh almost had to meet somebody like Judy to realise actually how much she loved Myrit. And then vice versa, Myrit had to see Cùlaibh with somebody new.
Ta blech de Myrit.
Cushion.
There's son untige gris. Furich callroom.
Tap lattes on Ioriara.
Nach sin ja forst nach an corm seo bhiacin le chéile. Trud seo.
So there's lots going on and lots still to come, so please do keep watching An Clò Mòr.